Hey, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this AI full stack engineering platform, which is Orchid. So let's quickly dive into it. Orchid AI is a impressive tool that lets you build full stack web app just by chatting with an AI. It handles everything front end, back end, database, making it perfect for founder or beginner who wants to turn ideas into working app very fast. The clean UI and automation features saved hours of setup, giving it a clear edge for MVP development. However, Orchid AI still feels early in some areas, with limited customization and occasional bug that might frustrate advanced users. It ideal for small projects or startup, but not yet ready for large-scale production app. So for fast and easy promising, you can just use it, but best suited for quick prototype rather than complex build. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.